Our goal when we started this business wasn't to get into the POD business, though it's quickly moving in that direction. We wanted to do ultra short run book manufacturing. We wanted to be able to offer our traditional customers who are buying offset to be able to extend their run lengths down lower than the traditional offset. So where we used to have the cutoff being at 1200 or a little bit higher if it was 4-color, now we're bringing that down to quantities of 50. Space requirements have changed a lot, at least in our plant in Dover warehouses. We merged 3 warehouses into 1. We still carry the same number of SKUs. We just carry a lot less. And we ship boxes of books to that warehouse as opposed to big skids. There is a stress point on the warehouse, however. I mean, the warehouse was never built for that type of activity. It's built for lots of big skids going in and put away, and little packages going out. Not little packages going in and kind of reversing the whole thing. But we also see in the digital print operation, the majority of the work is a direct ship. So we are actually fulfilling an order. It's really gotten down to the point where the publisher is selling it, we're manufacturing it and delivering it to the end user, or the end customer in that matter. What can publishers do to help sort of maximize the efficiencies of inkjet printing? I've been saying this through the offset days, the standardized trim sizes. But whatever you can do to standardize trim sizes will be better. Print on fewer substrates. Paul would like you to print on just one substrate, if it's possible. Ink coverage is an issue. Okay, so that's something that has to be. Publishers are now communicating with us and saying, okay, what do we need to do? We need to think about how we design books so that we can take advantage of inkjet, even though we're going to print offset at some point. But we want to make sure that the design kind of works within inkjet printing, right? So maybe gone are those days where you have the chapter opens in a solid black with just a knockout text for the chapter opening. Well, if you do that, then we'll print it on an iGen or something like that, or an Indigo. Adopt an EDI transaction. We'd like you to use XBits. If you can't, don't have the resources to or don't have the willingness to do that, we've also set customers up on web portals that allow them to make an order through the web portal, and the back end of that is an electronic transaction that comes into Courier. So that's worked out good. And then more direct ships. Don't send it to the warehouse. Send it to your customer who's going to pay you, rather than sitting in the warehouse.